Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below to keep up to date with all our latest videos. Today's video is going to be focusing on a van and trailer system that we've upgraded with a FORS compliant camera system. So let's get started. So we're now inside the vehicle. What I'm going to be doing is showing you a little bit more about how this particular system works on this particular vehicle. So what we've got is a 3-channel DVR system. Basically there's 3 cameras, one on the trailer, one on the back of the vehicle as a reversing camera, and then what we've got is a side view camera as well. And that is actually all backed up onto a 1 terabyte DVR hard drive system. However, we can customize this during a consultation with you. We'll design and spec your system to exactly how you want it. So if you're looking for FORS compliancy, this is part of FORS compliancy, and we do all the way up from bronze all the way up to gold. So just get in contact with us. We can go through all of that with you. So we can customize in terms of what image you want displayed at a given point on your 7-inch monitor at the top of the dash. However, we can mount that wherever you want as well. So in terms of that image, it's basically displaying a rear view camera as a live feed while you're driving along the road. And as soon as you put it on the indicator, what's going to happen is we're going to flick over, the screen's going to flick over directly straight onto the left-hand camera system. And then what we've also got is a left-hand indicator buzzer. Basically what that's doing is alerting the driver in the cab by an audible tone just to tell them that the vehicle is turning left. So as soon as we put the indicator on, you hear the tone, plus the camera system automatically transfers over to the left-hand screen. That's for cycle safety, but also that's part of your FORS compliancy. And as soon as you come off, the camera goes back to the factory screen as normal, and then also that buzzing noise stops as well. So hopefully that gives you a little bit more of an understanding about how this system works in the center of the cab. Now we're going to step over to the back of the vehicle so we can go through everything there. So we're now looking at the trailer system. This is our installation that we've carried out, so it links this trailer to the vehicle itself. So what I'm going to be talking to how it works. So basically what we've installed is a commercial grade camera on the rear of the trailer. Obviously that's not linked to a monitor at all, so what we've done is install what's called a SUSI cable. What that cable is actually doing is carrying information of the video signal from that camera at the back all the way up to that screen. So as soon as you connect up the trailer, basically you plug in your normal trailer lead, but then you also plug in this SUSI cable. This SUSI cable will then link directly onto that screen, and then what it will do is when you're driving along, it will take over from the commercial grade camera that's actually on the vehicle side and give you a live feed directly from the trailer side. So what it does, it switches that, and that's all switched using our software that we can use, and we can change this exactly how you want it. So that's how this customer wanted it set up, and that's how we've done it. So that's basically that side of things via the SUSI cable. Another thing this vehicle was missing, one of the drivers mentioned it to us when he dropped off the vehicle, was the fact that because the trailer has a 7-pin socket and the vehicle has a 7-pin socket, what wasn't fed through was the reversing lights. So what wasn't being displayed on the trailer side was actually the reversing lights. So what we've actually done is run through a reversing light feed through the SUSI cable up to those reversing lights, so that's all working now as well. So that's just a little extra that we've carried out on behalf of this customer. So, and that's the thing, we go the extra mile with all our customers. So if you are interested in something very specialist, want something that someone said that can't be done, feel free to get in contact with us, and I'm sure we can work that out. So that's basically a bit more overview of the SUSI cable. The other thing that we've installed is a replacement controller for the actual trailer as well. So this trailer is designed to tip up and down, and the little remote had been broken, so we've replaced that as well. One of the key things as well was the trailer system, when it operates up and down, what it was doing, it was running out of battery at times. So to charge up this system, because it's got its own separate battery, we've actually installed a full split charge system. Basically what that means is we've installed an Anderson connector onto the trailer, and what it means is that can also link to the vehicle itself, and then what that does, that charges as the vehicle drives. It will charge up the trailer's battery, allowing it to have full charge at any time. So when it is disconnected disconnected or away from the vehicle itself, it'll have its own power source through its battery, always topped up and always working as it should do, so you'll never get stuck. So hopefully that's a bit more of an understanding about how we've linked a trailer unit to a commercial vehicle. This can be done on all sorts of vehicles, so feel free to just get in contact with us and we can go through everything with you. So hopefully you found that a little bit useful. It's a bit more of an explanation about what's involved and what's also being carried out on this particular install. So we hope that you found this video useful. If you're interested in a similar system, feel free to get in contact with us. We'll drop all our links below. The main thing that you do is press the subscribe button by hitting the link below. But thank you very much for watching our very short video on this system. We look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.
Thank you.